Okay, we've got as much sandstone as we can get for now. Everything else is structural. Wow, there's our living room. I'm just walking through the wall. Pretty crazy. There's the floors all been taken up. There's a lot of noise going on upstairs. I think we're going to start taking the floorboards in our bedroom. Wow, there's one way to do it. Start in the middle of the room, definitely. This is the living room. Oh. What do you think?
Funny, funny. Mommy, this is a drawing. Mommy, oh, it's drawing.
Yeah. There you go, that's it, Josie. Step over.
And my black dots.
And your black dots.
On my thoughts are scribbled down.
Josie. Look, you're standing in the living room, but under the floor.
Yeah. I'm under the floor. I'm under the floor. I'm under the floor. I'm under the floor.
That's a good under the floor dance, Josie. Where's the outside?
There. That's outside.
What used to be there?
Window.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Go on then.
Whoa! Whoa! Can I go in there?
Yes. Oh, what's that?
Flower from the ceiling.
Just look in your bedroom. Or your old bedroom.
You haven't taken the floor. Oh, you haven't took the stars off. Haven't took those stars off.
Have we not taken the stars off? Why don't we have a look in Mummy and Daddy's bedroom?
I already saw.
Careful. What do you think?